Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 17th, 2025, we're diving deep into Litecoin, LTCUSD, analyzing both the latest news and the charts to figure out what's next for this cryptocurrency. First, let's address the current market buzz surrounding Litecoin. The latest search results reveal a mixed bag of news and predictions. There's excitement around the potential approval of a Litecoin spot ETF, particularly Canary Capital's LTCC, which analysts believe could drive a significant price surge. However, we also see reports of Litecoin's price wobbling due to fluctuating ETF approval odds, and some analysts aren't convinced about the demand for Litecoin ETFs even if approved. On the technology side, Litecoin continues to provide network security to Dogecoin through merged mining and has recently had its halving event, historically a key price indicator. Now, let's switch gears and examine the Litecoin charts to see if they confirm or contradict these news-driven sentiments. Alright, let's start with the daily chart. Looking at the overall trend, we can see Litecoin has experienced significant volatility over the past year. From November 2023 to early April 2024, we witnessed a climb followed by a sharp retracement, highlighting the inherent risks in crypto markets. More recently, the chart reveals a period of consolidation, with the price hovering within a relatively narrow range. Let's zoom in on a range of candles from late February 2024 to early April 2024. Notice the large green candles indicating strong buying pressure and the subsequent red candles suggesting a potential reversal. The surge in late February could correlate to early news and rumors of Canary Capital's Litecoin spot ETF listing. However, the large red candles from April 11th to 13th show bears wrestling back control. Now, focusing on more recent price action in 2025, after a large spike on March 11th, 2024, we've seen a downward trend and can notice a key support level forming around the low 80s. If this support breaks, we could see a further decline, potentially down to the mid-60s, coinciding with the CCN article's suggestion of 65 to 70 is likely. Conversely, if Litecoin can maintain its position above the support, we might see a retest of the $90 to $95 resistance levels. Now, let's check out the hourly chart for a shorter-term perspective. Here, we can observe finer details in price movements, revealing potential entry and exit points for day traders. Notice any patterns, such as triangles or flags, which could indicate continuation or reversal. Also, you can see some areas where some candles have long wicks, which may be areas to watch as possible support or resistance. Lastly, let's switch to the 15-minute chart for an even closer look at intraday price fluctuations. On the 15-minute chart, we can identify immediate support and resistance levels and how they are breaking and retesting over time. We should also keep an eye on volume. Volume spikes could indicate a strong buying or selling event, potentially triggered by news or large orders. Right now, I'd like to see some more trading volume. This indicates consolidation, which means we should wait to see which side breaks before placing any big bets. To recap, keep a close watch on these key price levels: the 80s as a critical support level, $90 to $95 as immediate resistance, and potentially mid-60s as a downside target if support fails. The likelihood of Litecoin reaching $160 by March, as suggested by Cointelegraph, appears increasingly unlikely given the current price action and news environment. For the long term, predictions of Litecoin reaching $1,000 or higher are highly speculative and dependent on widespread crypto adoption and Bitcoin's performance. There is a small chance of this happening. In the short term, watch the news flow regarding ETF approvals and monitor the key support and resistance levels we identified. If Litecoin manages to break above $95 with strong volume, that would be a bullish signal. If $80 is broken, we're likely headed lower. Be sure to do your own research. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.